Hello, my dear students. Are you fine? Welcome in our today's class. Today we will study two chemical properties of the amine. In last period, we had completed physical properties of amine and one chemical property of amine, that is alkylation of amine. Right, now today we are going to learn about the two chemical properties of amine. One is carbyl amine reaction and second one is an Hofmann's elimination reaction. Now first of all we will start carbyl amine reaction. Carbyl, CARBYL, carbyl amine reaction, or it is also called isocyanide reaction. Now keep one thing in your mind. This carbyl amine reaction is identification test for the primary amine. So carbyl amine reaction is the identification test for primary amine. Means this carbyl amine reaction given by only primary amine, this reaction is not possible for secondary and tertiary amine. ये रिएक्शन बेटा सेकेंडरी और टर्शियरी अमाइन के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है. ये रिएक्शन बेटा सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्राइमरी अमाइन के लिए पॉसिबल है. Now question would arise, what do you mean by carbyl amine reaction? Now those reaction in which primary amine is heated with chloroform or iodoform by using potassium hydroxide to form alkyl isocyanide, that reaction is called carbyl amine reaction. So the reaction in which primary amine is heated with chloroform. What is the formula of chloroform? CHI3 or iodoform. Chloroform नहीं लेना है तो बेटा iodoform. Formula of iodoform CHI3. So those reaction in which primary amine is heated with chloroform or iodoform by using KOH, potassium hydroxide, to form alkyl isocyanide, that reaction is called carbyl amine reaction. Now see how reaction is takes place. R single bond NH2. It is primary amine. Why it is called primary amine? Because it contains the one alkyl group. So when primary amine heated with chloroform formula beta CHCl3, IUPAC name trichloromethane. So when primary amine heated with chloroform by using potassium hydroxide, right? Now these 3K combined with 3Cl, ये बेटा 3K बेटा कंबाइन हुए 3Cl के साथ to form 3 molecules of KCl, potassium chloride. Now what will left here? 3OH. Now these 3OH combined with 3H. These 2H, these 1H, 3H, these 3H combined with this 3OH to form the 3H2O, 3 water molecule. Now what will left here? R single bond N. What will left here? C. They combines to form R single bond N, triple bond C, and this compound is called alkyl isocyanide. Alkyl isocyanide, and such reaction is called as carbylamine reaction. So the reaction in which primary amine heated with chloroform or iodoform by using potassium hydroxide to form alkyl isocyanide, that reaction is called carbylamine reaction. Now in our syllabus there is no example. syllabus में बेटा एग्जाम्पल नहीं है, बट वी विल स्टडी 3 एग्जाम्पल्स. अपन बेटा 3 एग्जाम्पल की स्टडी करेंगे. चलिए फर्स्ट वन C2H5 सिंगल बॉन्ड NH2. C2H5 सिंगल बॉन्ड NH2. इट इज इथाइलामाइन. IUPAC नेम इथेनामाइन. सो इथाइलामाइन और इथेनामाइन. So when ethylamine heated with chloroform by using potassium hydroxide, now these 3K combine with 3Cl to form 3KCl potassium chloride. Now these 3 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen from NH2, 1 hydrogen from CH, these 3 hydrogen combine with 3 OH to form 3 H2O. Now what will left here? C2H5 single bond N. From here C, they combines to form C2H5 single bond N, triple bond C. And this compound is called ethyl isocyanide. So when ethylamine heated with chloroform by using potassium hydroxide, then it forms ethyl isocyanide. Now we will see second example. Now see second example, CH3 single bond NH2. It is methylamine. IUPAC name methenamine. So when methylamine heated with iodoform, अब बेटा फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल में अपन ने क्लोरोफॉर्म लिए थे, यहां ले रहे हम आइडोफॉर्म. फार्मूला ऑफ आइडोफॉर्म CHI3. IUPAC नेम ट्राई आइडोमीथेन. सो व्हेन methylamine heated with iodoform by using potassium hydroxide, now these 3K combined with 3I to form 3Ki. Ki means potassium iodide. Now these 3 hydrogen, 2 from amino group, 1 from the CH. These 3 hydrogen combined with 3 OH to form 3 H2O. Now what will left here? CH3 single bond N. From here C, they combines to give CH3 single bond N, triple bond C. And this compound is called methyl isocyanide. In short, it is called MIC. So when methylamine heated with iodoform in presence of potassium hydroxide, then it forms methyl isocyanide. Do you remember that methyl isocyanide is the gas which is released during Bhopal gas tragedy? बेटा भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी में जो गैस रिलीज हुई थी बेटा, वो थी बेटा मिथाइल आइसोसाइनाइड, जिसको शॉर्ट में बोलते MIC. टेक द थर्ड एग्जांपल, एनिलीन C6H5NH2. इट इज एनिलीन, अनदर नेम बेंजीनामाइन. सो व्हेन एनिलीन heated with chloroform by using potassium hydroxide solution, तो बेटा जब एनिलीन को हीट करते क्लोरोफॉर्म के साथ, किसके प्रेजेंस में बेटा? पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के प्रेजेंस में. सो दीज 3K कंबाइन विथ 3Cl टू फॉर्म 3KCl. ये बेटा कंबाइन हुआ, बना 3KCl. नाउ दीज 3 हाइड्रोजन, 2 फ्रॉम NH2, 1 फ्रॉम H, combine with 3 OH to form 3 H2O. Now what will left here? C6H5N. From here C, they combines to form C6H5 and triple bond C. and this compound is called phenyl isocyanate, and such reaction is called carbylamine reaction, and this carbylamine reaction is the identification test for primary amine. Means this reaction is given by only primary amine, it is not given by secondary and tertiary amine. Okay, now next chemical property, property number 3rd of amine, that is Hoffman's elimination reaction. Hoffman's, it is the name of the scientist, Hoffmann-S, Hoffman's elimination, elimination, elimination. So Hoffman's elimination reaction. Elimination means remove, release, right? So Hoffman's elimination reaction. Now question would arise, what is Hoffman's elimination reaction? Listen carefully. Now when quaternary ammonium salt or tetraalkyl ammonium halide heated with silver hydroxide AgOH, then first it form tetraalkyl ammonium hydroxide. तो बेटा I हाइलोजन रिप्लेस बाय OH, हाइलोजन का बेटा रिप्लेसमेंट होता OH को यूज करके. सो व्हेन tetraalkyl ammonium halide heated with silver hydroxide, first it form tetraalkyl ammonium hydroxide, which on heating undergoes beta elimination reaction to form alkene. Such reaction is called Hoffman's elimination reaction. तो बेटा tetraalkyl ammonium halide, when it is heated with silver hydroxide, first it form tetraalkyl ammonium hydroxide. That tetraalkyl ammonium hydroxide on heating forms alkene due to beta elimination reaction, and such reaction is called Hoffman's elimination reaction. Now see your example, CH3 taken thrice, NC2H5, N positive, I negative. Now it is ethyl trimethyl ammonium halide, tetraalkyl ammonium halide, which is commonly called as quaternary ammonium salt, QaS. So when ethyl trimethyl ammonium halide heated with moist silver hydroxide, or when it is heated with silver hydroxide, now these Ag combine with I, Ag बेटा combine हुआ I के साथ to form AgI, it is silver iodide. Now these OH attach with N to form CH3 taken thrice, NC2H5, N positive, OH negative, and this compound is called ethyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide, ethyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide. So what happened in the first step? Tetraalkyl ammonium halide heated with silver hydroxide to form tetraalkyl ammonium hydroxide. Now in the second step, these ethyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide is heated, then it undergoes beta elimination. So this ethyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide is heated, then it undergoes beta elimination, right? Now this CH3 taken thrice N. So the CH3 taken thrice and it is trimethylamine. Trimethylamine. Now what we left here? OH and here C2H5. Now this OH and one hydrogen from C2H5. So OH and H, they combines to form H2O. Right? Now what we left here? C2H4. C2H4. C2H4 means CH2 double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH2. And this compound is called ethene. So when ethyl trimethyl ammonium halide or quaternary ammonium salt heated with silver hydroxide, then first it forms ethyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide, which on heating undergoes beta elimination to form ethene. Right? Now why this reaction is called beta elimination? Because one hydrogen atom remove from this ethyl. बेटा ethyl में से एक हाइड्रोजन बेटा रिमूव हो रहा, therefore this reaction is called beta elimination. And by this reaction least substituted alkene is obtained as an major product. Least substituted, right? सबसे छोटा बेटे अल्कीन जो होता है, that least substituted alkene is formed, and such reaction is called Hofmann's elimination reaction. So when tetraalkyl ammonium halide heated with silver hydroxide, first it forms ethyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide. This ethyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide on heating undergoes beta elimination to form ethene. Okay, any difficulty up to here? Today we will stop here. In next period we will study or we will learn about the next properties of amine.